Want lower real trading costs on BitMart? In a few minutes, I'll break down spot and futures fees, show real examples at $10,000, $100,000, or $1 million of volume, and explain how a 30% cashback drops futures to 0.014% for maker and 0.042% for taker. Let's get your fees under control. Here's the snapshot. Spot base fee is 0.10%, and with 30% cashback, the effective spot fee becomes 0.07%. On futures, maker is 0.02% and taker is 0.06%. With 30% cashback, your effective maker fee is 0.014%, and your effective taker fee is 0.042%. There's also a token fee discount when you pay fees with BMX, currently minus 25%. Check the exchange rules to see how token discounts and cashback stack or take priority. BitMart also advertises a sign-up bonus up to $14,000, subject to tiers, KYC, deposits, and trading requirements. Why cashback exists. Exchanges share part of trading fees with affiliate or IB partners. We rebate most of that commission back to you, a win-win for users and partners. Net result, your real cost per trade drops. To make this concrete, I'm using the crypto fee rebate calculator, spot and futures, on rebatefee.com. Plug in your monthly trading size and see fees and cashback before you place an order. Now, the futures examples. At $10,000 of volume. As a maker, the fee at 0.02% is $2. The cashback is 60 cents. Effective costs $1.40. As a taker, the fee at 0.06% is $6. Cashback is $1.80. Effective costs $4.20. At $100,000, maker fee $20, cashback $6, effective $14, taker fee $60, cashback $18, effective $42, kit $1 million, maker fee $200, cashback $60, effective $140, taker fee $600, cashback $180, effective $420. As volume scales, the gap between maker and taker gets huge. So whenever your strategy allows, favor limit orders that add liquidity and earn the lower maker rate. Quick spot reminder, base 10 basis points goes to 7 basis points after 30% cashback. If you also use BMX for fee payment, review the current rule set so you understand whether BMX discounts stack with or replace cashback on a given fill. If you want the BitMart sign-up link configured for the best rebate, head to rebatefee.com. There you can claim up to $14,000 in sign-up bonuses, activate the 30% cashback, and run your own numbers with the crypto fee rebate calculator. Rebatefee.com also supports many other exchanges, so you can compare real costs side by side. Fees, offers, and token policies can change, so always check the latest terms on the exchange page. Futures are risky. Leverage amplifies gains and losses. Trade carefully and manage your risk. If this helped you slash your trading costs, grab the BitMart link at rebatefee.com/lock in your bonus and cashback and start paying less on every order you fill.